Oh, she found a candy wrapper.
Oh, that's nice. And it was at a shoe store that had own candy and stuff. Does he remember? It's a Tootsie Roll.
He'll be good in our Super Treasure Hunt movie. I hope we get to use it with you here. Yeah, the instructions. Uh-oh, what happened?
A fly just went in my eye.
Oh, I just missed it too.
Bees are attracted to my hair.
Yeah?
At school, a big fat bee came and went to my hair.
Yeah.
Like 3 times when I came here, bees come into my hair.
Oh, man.
Sucks.
Totally.
I'll show you where the cat food is. Okay.
Oh, funny. Hey, kitty. They're discussing you, Shadow.